I already saw those earlier stories, Tyler, so I'm staying right here.
Yeah, a lot of people heading in and out of the airport, obviously. Hopefully, we can keep the weather nice and calm for those planes coming in and out and trying to enjoy the 4th of July weekend that we are now in. And if you're wondering what the forecast is going to be like on Monday, the 4th itself, well, don't worry, we got you covered here. Temperatures in the morning hours sitting in the 80s, by the afternoon hours, low to middle 90s. Very similar to what we've seen the last couple of days, and we do have that chance for afternoon showers and storms, though they will wind down by the time the fireworks displays go off Monday later into the evening hours, which is good news. So again, we'll see the rain chances mid-afternoon hours and then taper off as the evening goes on. Let's switch things over to the weather. Well, I want to show you what we have going on out there this afternoon. Here's a live shot from the beach. The Bellwether Beach Resort camera showing beautiful evening out there right now towards parts of the beach. We got some high clouds filtering a little bit of sunshine, but no rain at the beach right now. Most of that has pushed inland, so a lot of locations are seeing temperatures in the 80s because of some of those clouds and rain showers that we saw earlier. We did reach the lower 90s before some of those rain showers and clouds rolled in, but it's pretty comfortable as you step outside with that feels like temperature in the upper 80s. Here's where we do still have some rain out there right now. Notice we do have some light rain towards the Lakeland area, although that is dissipating just off to the north of I-4. We do have a couple more rain showers further down to the south, but in Tampa Bay, St. Petersburg, you can see it's dry right now all the way up towards the Nature Coast. Again, just a little bit of light rainfall in northern Polk County. Further down to the south, we do still have a couple showers and storms out there. You can see towards Wauchula, down towards Arcadia, even trying to drift into Sarasota County there, just off to the east there of Venice. We're seeing some rain showers passing along 75 right there. So mainly hit or miss out there this evening, and really things are going to wind down over the next couple of hours because we had those showers and storms earlier in the day. There's not a lot of energy left in the atmosphere for those storms to develop on. So temperatures right now sitting at 75 in Lakeland, where we have some of that rain cooled there, 82 in Newport Richey, 82 in St. Petersburg, 86 in Sarasota. Venice, one of the warmer spots, sitting at 90 degrees. So here's how the rest of the evening plays out. Again, most of the activity is inland. We could see an isolated rain shower try to push back towards the coast. I think that's pretty limited for this evening. Most areas will stay dry. The clouds will dissipate. We'll see plenty of sunshine as we start off your Sunday morning, just like what we've seen the last couple of days. Morning hours, beautiful. 80s, lots of sunshine. But right around 1, 2, 3 p.m., here comes some of those pop-up showers and storms getting closer towards the coast at first. Then they push inland, and then they do try to work back. So that's kind of the ebb and flow of the pattern. Showers and storms early in the afternoon along the coast, pushing inland, and then trying to redevelop towards the coast later into the evening hours. We'll see the same exact thing on Monday on the 4th of July. That isolated chance along the coast, and then more developing inland, and we keep that chance for scattered showers and storms. Hopefully, a lot of these dissipate by the time the fireworks displays try to go off later in the day on Monday. But you can see this consistent weather pattern. It's summer in Florida, about a 60% chance of rain each and every single day as we head into the new work week all the way through Wednesday and Thursday. We already mentioned the tropics. We have Tropical Storm Colin along the Carolina coastline. We now have Bonnie that's entering into the Pacific, and a very weak area of disturbance that only has a 10% chance as it's moving through the Caribbean. But we do have Colin that is right over the border of South Carolina, North Carolina, just bringing some rain, some breezy winds, and some cloudy weather, unfortunately for them. That's heading out over the Atlantic, so it's moving away from the U.S. by Monday and will slowly dissipate by Tuesday. So for Sunday, again, we're going to see some scattered showers or storms for the afternoon hours, temperatures reaching into the lower 90s, very similar to what we saw today. If you want to head out to the beach tomorrow, looking pretty good. Seas 1 to 2 feet. Just a light chop out there in the bay. Just watch out for some of those afternoon showers and storms with the water temperature in the upper 80s. Here's that 7-day forecast again. Not looking too bad. Just watch out for showers and storms during the second half of the day. Temperatures holding steady in the low to middle 90s.